Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still am very, very bullish overall. I still think this is an uptrend. I still think eventually it is going to go up and take out these previous highs, most likely end up all the way up to one of these high Fibonacci extension levels. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is a wave C compared to looking at all the other dollar pairs, especially the dollar index and the euro dollar on the higher time frames. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this is a running flat wave two. I still think this first push up is a one. I still think this is a two. Hopefully, the wave two is already over and we are now in a wave three. So I think that this is already a wave three. So this should be a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see a nice uptrend right here, one, two, three, four, and five. I still think this looks like an A, B, C, D, E that is already complete. I think there's a pretty good chance that we are in an uptrend already, and I am definitely going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames, at least until the daily time frame and up tell me that it is time to start looking for shorts in a downtrend again. So going to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, we are definitely making higher highs, higher lows. I for sure would be doing nothing right now except for looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. To me, this looks like a wave A. It looks like one, two, three waves up for a wave B. This impulsive move down definitely does resemble a wave C. We are right at the 61% Fib extension, well, retracement that is. We do have some pretty decent dollar news coming out today, so if the news does cause an impulsive move up, then for me, that would be another really nice entry to go long for the continuation of what I believe is most likely a wave three on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.